Psalm 54. Save me, O God, by thy name, and judge me by thy strength. Hear my prayer, O God. Give ear to the words of my mouth. For strangers are risen up against me, and oppressors seek after my soul. They have not set God before them. Selah. Behold, God is mine helper. The Lord is with them that uphold my soul. He shall reward evil unto mine enemies. Cut them off in thy truth. I will freely sacrifice unto thee. I will praise thy name, O Lord, for it is good. For he hath delivered me out of all trouble, and mine eye hath seen his desire upon mine enemies. The key to Psalm 54 is found in verse 4. Behold, God is mine helper. That's a simple statement, but it carries weight. David is not just speaking words. He's speaking from experience. He has seen God help him. He has lived it. You don't say, God is my helper, until you've come face to face with your own insufficiency, your faults, your failures, your weaknesses. When you see yourself for who you are, then something rises up and you cry out, if it had not been for the Lord who was on my side, where would I be? It's good to accomplish things in life. It's good to be educated, to have skills, to be productive. But sometimes those very things cloud our minds. They make us forget we are nothing on our own. God blessed us with every ability, yet we turn around and start praising ourselves instead of the one who gave it. We came into this world empty, and when we leave, we will leave empty. So let me ask you, when you're on your job, do you call on God for help? When you're sick in bed, do you cry out to him? When the doctors give up on you, have you ever said, Lord, help me? I can't tell you how many times I felt like it was over and I cried, God, I need you. Help me. And the word reminds us, Psalm 46, God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Psalm 118:6, the Lord is on my side, I will not fear. What can man do to me? Psalm 121, I will lift up mine eyes unto the hills. My help cometh from the Lord, which made heaven and earth. So the question is, not if help is available, but who do you call first? Not as a last resort, but your first call, your only call, knowing in your heart that if God can't help you, no one can. The problem with many of us as children of God is this. We have too many options and none of them are good. Psalm 107:6 says, Then they cried unto the Lord in their trouble, and he delivered them out of their distresses. And verse 8 says, Oh, that men would praise the Lord for his goodness and for his wonderful works to the children of men. Oh, when I was sinking deep in sin, he helped me. When I couldn't find joy within, he helped me. When all my friends left, when my parents forsook me, God was my helper. It is a blessing when you see the hand of God working in your life on your behalf. So today, listen to the psalmist. Trust God. Call on him. Let him be your helper. Come, walk with us through the Bible as we journey through the book of Psalms.
Ungunkosi yamakhosi, thula